Hello, this is my Lego candy machine. Version 1. Wait. Sorry for that. So, without a coin, there's no candy. So, take a coin, put that, and here's your candy. See? Shoot. Again, it can repeat 5 times. Oh, wait. Okay. Here, another candy. And some more. And 3 candies. Now, again. So, I have 5. So, how to get the candy again? Out. How can you get the coin out? You cannot get it, right? You get it. Again, you twist this so it pops out. Pops. Again. I twist this and it pops out. So there you get a candy. A coin, no. How do you reload the candy? So, take that out. Put all the candies here. So there. I will show you the mechanic. Wait. Sorry. Here it is. Here. So, without a coin, there's no candy, right? Oh, sorry. There's no candy without a coin. So, take a coin. It will be fall down right here. So, push it and put it down. And the coin fall down too. So there. It can repeat and again and again. Put again. So that. You get the candy. So, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.